welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So in today's video, we are going to make easy yet delicious and tasty blueberry waffles. One bite into the waffles with blueberries oozing out their soreness. Wow, you have to taste it to believe it, and you will never get the taste in shop if you buy this from a shop. So let's make this yummy yet delicious and easy waffles in today's video. I always believe that homemade food is better than store-bought food any time of the day. So let's go and make this delicious waffles. Let's look at the ingredients for making blueberry waffles. You need a waffle maker. Mine is a pretty old one. It's almost like 15 years old, but it works for me, so I didn't change it. And you need 2 eggs, baking powder, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, cornstarch, milk, vegetable oil or any oil that you use, maida or all-purpose flour. I'm using blueberries for my toppings, so you can use anything you want, chocolate chips or tutti frutti or anything you want for that matter. So today I'm using blueberries since I got fresh blueberries from the market. First we'll mix in the dry ingredients and then we'll go for the wet ingredients. So for dry ingredients, main ingredient is all-purpose flour or maida, 1.5 cup. So I'm adding 1 cup right now. I will add half cup and show you the next ingredient. Half cup of cornstarch or corn flour, anything is same, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, it will give the nice fluffiness to the mixture. One teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of cinnamon, dry ingredients are done. So let's look at wet ingredients now. Let's whisk them nicely so that it's not at one place. And keep it to the side. We are going to start with beating 2 eggs. We are going to start with 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We are going to beat this nicely and then add the remaining ingredients. We are adding 2 cups of whole milk. You can also add buttermilk, but it doesn't make the difference. So we are adding 2 cups of milk. Mix nicely. And add in 2/3 cup of oil. and mix in nicely. Last ingredient is vanilla extract. Around 1 teaspoon should be good. Mix it nicely again. Now add in your dry ingredients one by one slowly. Don't hurry up because it will make lumps. So you don't want any lumps in the batter. So add carefully and mix it in. First mix it in and then add the remaining batter. Mix it in nicely. We are going to add 1/4 cup of blueberries. You can also add 1/2 cup, but I am adding 1/4 cup. I like to cut them in half and add it to the batter. Just like this. You can add it as a whole, but you'll get only at one place. That's why I like to half it. Let's fold in carefully and let the batter sit for 10 to 15 minutes and you can make the waffles. They will be ready. Yummy blueberry waffle batter is ready. So let's see how to make waffles. So let's make the waffles. I'm preheating the waffle iron. See the light, once it goes off, it means that waffle iron is really hot and you can make the waffles in it. So let's wait for the light to go off and I will show you how to make waffles. Light is off, so waffle iron is really hot. Batter is ready. Let's just mix once and it will be ready to pour. Don't overfill it, just see how hot the waffle iron is. I'll show you how to fill it. Just put it in the middle first and then fill in these gaps. That's it. Not too much, just let it go. It will adjust itself. And let's put one more. Middle and to the edges. 2 spoons for batter for one waffle iron. So let's close this lid and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes so that it can cook perfectly. So if you overfill it, it will come out from the sides. Don't overfill it and don't waste the batter. Just make sure you're putting the right amount and you'll be good to go. See the smoke that is coming, it's really smelling good in here, but don't open it for 2 minutes so that it can cook perfectly and will be ready for you and you won't mess anything up. It's been 2 minutes, so let's check on the waffles. Look how perfectly they came out. Let's turn them once and they will be good to go. Look, delicious, crispy yet soft. It's like perfect waffles, guys. You won't get this in market. Make it for yourself and enjoy it with your family. Just leave it on for 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes and you're good to go. It's been 1 minute, so let's check on them. Perfectly done. First, let's take a picture for Instagram and then it will be ready. Ooh. Look at that picture. delicious waffles. So let's serve them now. My plate is ready. Look how delicious that looks. Drizzle some honey and you're good to go. There you have it, guys. Delicious blueberry waffles for you. Please do try them and leave your feedback for me. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Bye guys, and I will see you in my next video. One more important thing that I forgot to mention is these freeze really well, and you can freeze them and just put it in the toaster whenever you need them, and you have fresh homemade waffles without any preservatives right in your house. So please do try them and leave your feedback for me. And the best thing about them is they are not too sweet. They are perfectly balanced, so you will enjoy it.